My name is Dr. Paul Hammer, and I'm the CEO and founder of BIOMES. And we are doing genomic-based healthcare prevention. Um, so, yeah, because well-being and health is coded in our DNA, and DNA is the code of every life on our planet. So actually, when we talk about our problem today, about our health system, then we have not really a health system, we have more a disease system, because we go first to a doctor when we are ill and have symptoms, and mostly, especially for complex diseases, then it's too late. The outcome probability is not good, and also so the burden and the expansions for our system is very high. So it would be much more better to start earlier in a healthy mode to monitor customers and people. What we need for that is new technologies, sensor technologies, and new biomarkers. And if we do this, we can detect much more earlier changes to disease mode. And what we can do with biomarkers, with the genetic or microbial background, is we can adjust the lifestyle of a customer in a personalized way. So what we do with Biomes is we combining digital data, health data, lifestyle data together with the genomic data, the code of DNA, ATCGD. And why we do this? Because we want to prevent people to become ill. The ultimate goal is longevity, to become really old in a healthy mode. So our mission in a sentence, to empower people to live healthier lives by understanding their human and microbial DNA and providing them with individualized health and wellness. And when I'm talking about DNA, I'm not just talking about the human DNA, what we get from our parents and our own body cells. I'm also talking about the so-called second genome, the microbiomes, that are all microbes in and on our body, that are 10 times more microbes in and on our body than other, or our own cells, that are mostly bacteria, but also fungi and virus. And over thousands of years of evolution, we live together, and they have a critical influence on our health and well-being. And the most famous microbiome is the gut flora, but we have also skin flora, mouth flora, everywhere we have microbes. And this gut is the immune organ number one, 80% of all reactions coming out of the gut. And the gut flora regulates mood, health, well-being through the gut-brain axis. It influences our body weight. It facilitates digestion, protects us against harmful microorganisms, and teaches our immune system and produce really important molecules like vitamins. So that I'm really proud to stand here now and present you our first end consumer test. It's InTest Pro. It's a gut flora analysis with an easy-to-use collection kit, sample collection kit, and you get a detailed report with personalized recommendations for improving your gut flora. It's pretty easy how it works. You buy it for 129 euros on our web shop, or sales partners like healers, nutrition consultants, pharmacists. Then you make the sample collection in a private environment at home, send it back in the including envelope, and then the magic starts in our own laboratories where we extract the microbiome and digitalization of the biological DNA. And then we make the data processing with our software pipeline and the interpretation with an own manual curated knowledge database. And in the end, you get an access to our interactive dashboard where you can explore your microbiome to the tiniest microbe. We have a lot of report features. We tell you something about the immune system, about vitamin synthesis or food intolerances. But one special feature is that we can calculate on your personalized biological profile a personalized nutrition plan. This is unique. So InTest Pro is a quantum leap compared to the classical methods by cultivation, because we have here a DNA-based approach. And yeah, believe me or come later, I can explain in detail. We can help a broad range of people, from people who have a high health awareness and track their every step, to people who are suffering under specific symptoms, digestion problems, up to irritable bowel syndrome, because we can say what's wrong and why it's wrong and how you get it better. Okay, the market is huge. Only in Germany we have 50 million people who are suffering under IBS. Again, 50 million people or more even who have overweight, so we have a lot of potential. To our business model, we have 3 segments. The one, our core business is the DNA analysis. Other tests will follow: skin, microbiome test, mouse, or also for pets and kids, and also later gene panels for human applications. Our second one is the upsell products of probiotic supplements or nutrition plans. And the third segment is really valuable because we are collecting biological profiles combined with lifestyle data, which is really important to generate new knowledge. We have fast revenue growing. We started last year in summer. We already sold over 5,000 tests and 2,500 probiotics. We started also our internationalization. We have nice COGS. We are under 20 euros already for the production costs. We closed already our bridging financing phase. Next year we make a Series A. This is my team. This is my team. We have managed experience management, and we are already 30 people in the whole team. And I would like to say thank you and have a great conference. Yeah.